Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create functions in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our conversations, channels. From here we have to go into one of the channels that we want to create a function in. Let's say it's this one, and here we find connect apps. If we tap on this, then the app is going to load and redirect us. Then here in this menu we tap on the parallel lines in the top right corner. Then we tap on build, and here if we scroll down we find functions as the first option. We can tap on this. The app is going to load again and take us to the function site where it is described how we can create a function. We just have to follow the steps that are indicated. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.